Hi students, so welcome to Girish Kallihal channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this series. So in this series, what will be the next number? That is, in this question mark, what will be the number is going to come. So let us solve this series. So before solving, you can pause this video and try it with yourself. And if you get the answer, comment your answer in the comment section. So let us begin. So if you observe the logic between the numbers, it is clear that this 9 has come because of these two numbers sum, that is 3 and 6. If I add, I'll get the number 9. Similarly, this 15 is a sum of these two numbers, that is 6 and 9. Again, that is the previous two numbers is giving the next number. Let us check the other one, whether this 24 is coming because of these two. Yes, again 9 and 15, if you add 24, we are going to get. Similarly, in order to find the answer, the number in this question mark, we need to add these two numbers, that is 15 and 24. So 15 and 24, if you add, so you are going to get 39. So the answer for this question mark is 39. 39 is the next number. So if you like this video, like, hype the video, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Thanks for watching.